Hi everyone, welcome to Owen's Treats. It is almost St. Patrick's Day. I thought for today's episode we'd make something St. Patrick's Day. Of course, it has to be green. For today's episode, we will be making Jello cookies themed to St. Patrick's Day. They'll be dyed green, and they'll have Jello lime, which is also green. With that, let's get into the video. For our St. Patrick's Day Jello cookies, we will need 1 1/4 cup of sugar divided. So we have a 1/4 cup of sugar with green sprinkles in this bowl. And then I have 1 cup of granulated sugar in this bowl. 2/3 cup of butter softened, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 Jello mix large boxes. For Jello cookies, you can use any type of Jello, but for our St. Patrick's Day, we have our green colored lime flavored Jello. And I have 2 large boxes, but if you can't find the large boxes, you can get 4 smaller boxes. Green food coloring, we'll need around 4 to 5 drops. For our first step for making these cookies, we're going to be creaming together our butter and our sugar, and then after those are creamed together, we'll be adding in our vanilla and our egg. And we're going to cream this together until it becomes nice, light, and full. Now that our butter is creamed together, we're going to be adding our eggs one at a time until each egg is fully combined before we add the next. We're going to set this off to the side. We're going to move on to our next step. We're going to combine all of our dry ingredients. I'm going to be adding in our baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to mix this together. I have our dry ingredients, our wet ingredients, and then our Jello. I have my 3 cups of flour. We're going to add all of that in. So we're going to add in 1 full packet of our Jello. Our lime Jello, or 2 of the smaller boxes. And we're going to mix this. Yeah, so now that our dough is mostly come together, add around 1 tablespoon more of our green Jello, 5 to 6 drops of our green food coloring. Alright, so now that our dough has come together, we are going to move on to our next step. We're going to roll our Jello cookie balls, dough balls, onto our sheet, and we're going to roll them in a mixture of green sprinkles and granulated sugar. So this is the mixture we've had before. I'm just going to sit down for this. And we're going to roll as much as even sized balls as we can, and we're going to roll, and then we are going to roll them in our sugar mixture, making sure they're nice and coated evenly, and they have enough green sprinkles and sugar on them. Now we're going to set them down. Put them into our oven, preheat at 400 for 8 and then we're going to bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to finish this, and I'm going to put them in our oven, and then I will be back once that's all done. And here is our finished St. Patrick's Day Jello cookies out of the oven. So thank you guys for joining me in another episode of Owen's Treats. I hope you guys have a good St. Patrick's Day, and I hope you wear green. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye!